If you own a Steyr M95 and you're watching this video, then you're probably experiencing an issue where when you try to chamber around, this happens. I experienced this with my first M95, and so I wanted to share the solution that worked with mine. Now, you've probably done some Google searching and found a lot of people telling you that your problem is with your N-block clip. Now, I have a dozen or so of these clips, and only one doesn't feed correctly, and it's very obviously deformed. I only found one person online who actually understood what the real problem is, and his solution is the one that ultimately worked. Most of these Steyr M95s in the States have been rebuilt or rearsenaled at least once or twice, and many of them are no longer in their original stock, as evidenced by their frequent renumbering. A lot of these rifles seem to have not been properly bedded in their new stocks, and this causes the whole magazine housing and clip catch release tab to sit too low in relation to the feed ramp. We need to remove our magazine housing by removing these two action screws. Here's the clip catch and release that I was referring to. Now, with that off, using some needle files, we need to remove material all around here to inlet the magazine deeper into the stock and raise the top round in the clip so that it contacts the feed ramp and not the flat front wall of the magazine. You'll want to use inletting black or something else on the magazine housing to mark the high spots in the wood that you need to file down. You may also need to file down the steel spacer at the rear of the inlet. Remember to remove a small amount of material at a time and frequently reinstall the magazine and check how your rounds are feeding. You don't want to raise the magazine too high, or else the rounds can feed nose up and jam that way. We just want to raise it enough that our top round is in line with the feed ramp so it can feed.